All right, men, let's talk about something that 52% of men deal with, but nobody wants to discuss at the barbershop. What happens when the equipment works fine, but the performance isn't quite hitting like it used to? And no, I'm not talking about your golf swing. Look, if you've ever been in the bedroom thinking more about your to-do list than, well, doing it, or if you've noticed things wrapping up faster than a Netflix episode on 2x speed, you're not alone. And if you think this is another boring health lecture, it's not. Stick with me. Because what I'm about to share could literally transform your confidence between the sheets. But first, please hit that like button, drop a comment below telling me what health topics you want covered next, and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Here's the good news that nobody's telling you. This is 100% fixable. Not with embarrassing doctor visits, not with sketchy blue pills, and definitely not by just accepting it as part of getting older. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why this happens to so many guys, and more importantly, the simple, natural strategies that can have you performing better than you did in your 20s. We're talking lifestyle tweaks, science-backed nutrition tips, and yes, one specific combination of ingredients that's been quietly changing lives. Stick around, because this gets good. Quick note of housekeeping before we dive in. Remember, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your health routine, medication, or diet. Now let's dive in. The problem. Part 1. The performance trap. Here's the thing nobody tells you about male sexual health. It's not just about working, it's about working well. And somewhere between college and your 30s, something shifts. Maybe you've noticed the stamina struggle, premature ejaculation. You're finishing the race before your partner even gets to the starting line. The energy drought. By the time bedtime rolls around, you'd rather roll over and scroll your phone. The confidence killer. That voice in your head wondering if you're enough anymore. And here's where it gets frustrating. You hit the gym, you eat relatively clean, you're not unhealthy, so what gives? Plot twist. Your bedroom performance, your sexual performance, isn't just about what's happening below the belt. It's a full body system involving blood flow, hormones, stress levels, and yeah, even what you ate for lunch. Well, here are the real culprits for most of men's bedroom performance issue. 1. Blood flow is the MVP nobody talks about. Think of arousal like a fire hose. You need strong water pressure to, well, you get it. But poor circulation from sitting at a desk all day, high blood pressure, or even just aging means that blood isn't flowing where it needs to, when it needs to. Less blood flow equals less firmness and less stamina. 2. Stress is literally stealing your performance. When you're stressed, your body pumps out cortisol, the same hormone that kept your ancestors alive when running from predators. Great for survival, terrible for intimacy. High cortisol kills testosterone, constricts blood vessels, and puts your body in fight or flight mode. Not exactly the mode you want when you're trying to fly your flag, so to speak. 3. Testosterone takes a nosedive after 30. After age 30, men lose about 1 to 2% of their testosterone every year. That's the hormone responsible for your sex drive, energy levels, muscle mass, and confidence. Less testosterone equals less desire, less staying power, and honestly, less fun all around. It's like your body decided to cancel your gym membership without telling you. The problem. Part 2. The silence. And here's the kicker. Most guys suffer in silence. We'll spend hundreds on a new gaming console or golf clubs, but addressing bedroom performance? Nah, I'm good. Meanwhile, studies show that sexual dissatisfaction is one of the leading causes of relationship issues. Your partner might not say anything, but trust me, they're noticing. And more importantly, you're noticing. That chip on your confidence, it bleeds into other areas of your life. Work presentations, social situations, even how you carry yourself at the gym. It's a downward spiral. Poor performance equals anxiety. Anxiety equals worse performance. Worse performance equals avoiding intimacy. Avoiding intimacy equals relationship tension. Relationship tension equals more stress. More stress equals even worse performance. See the pattern? You're trapped in a loop that keeps feeding itself. But what if I told you there's a way to break that cycle naturally? without awkward doctor visits or prescription pills with side effects that read like a Stephen King novel? The solution. Let's talk solutions. Real, actionable stuff you can implement today. The foundation. Lifestyle changes that actually work. 1. Move your body, and I don't mean just in bed. Cardio exercise directly improves blood flow and stamina. Just 30 minutes of moderate exercise 4 to 5 times per week can significantly boost performance. Plus, strength training naturally increases testosterone production. You want to last longer? Train your cardiovascular system. Simple. 2. Eat like your sex life depends on it, because it does. Foods rich in L-arginine and L-citrulline, watermelon, spinach, nuts, help produce nitric oxide, which dilates blood vessels. More dilation equals better blood flow. Also, cut back on processed foods and excess alcohol. That beer belly isn't doing your testosterone any favors. 3. Sleep is non-negotiable. Testosterone production happens primarily during deep sleep. Skimping on sleep is like trying to drive a car without gas. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. Your body and your partner will notice. 4. Stress management isn't optional. Meditation, deep breathing, or even just 10 minutes of quiet time can lower cortisol levels dramatically. When you're relaxed, your body shifts into rest and digest mode, which is also romance and reproduce mode, if you catch my drift. Now here's where things get interesting. Because while lifestyle changes are crucial, sometimes you need an extra edge to really optimize your performance and accelerate your results. This is something worth knowing. If you've been feeling frustrated or even embarrassed about changes in bedroom performance, sensitivity, stamina, or desire, you're not alone, and it's not your fault. There's a 100% natural solution that's already helped thousands of men feel confident and energized again. No pills, no injections, no procedures, no surgery, no risky shortcuts. Just a simple, easy home remedy you can make at home, designed to support what researchers are now calling the manhood molecule, a key factor for arousal, blood flow, and lasting power. This is a natural supplement specifically formulated to address the root causes we've been talking about: blood flow, stamina, and hormone support. I'll drop the link in the description below, and trust me, if you've been struggling with any of what we discussed today, this could be the game changer you've been looking for. Your partner will thank you, and more importantly, you'll feel like yourself again. Call to action. Listen, you didn't stumble on this video by accident. You're here because you know something needs to change. Maybe you've been frustrated, embarrassed, or just tired of not feeling like the confident man you used to be in the bedroom. The good news? You have options. The lifestyle strategies I shared today are powerful on their own. Combined with the right supplementation, that's when you start seeing transformative results. So here's what I want you to do right now. Start implementing one lifestyle change today, even if it's just a 20-minute walk. Drop a comment below and let me know which tip you're going to try first. Share this video with a friend or colleague who might be struggling silently. You could literally change his life. Remember, taking care of your sexual health isn't vain or selfish. It's essential. Your confidence, your relationship, your overall well-being, they're all connected. Closing thoughts. Let's recap what we've covered. Sexual performance issues affect over half of men. It's common, treatable, and nothing to be ashamed of. Blood flow, stress, and testosterone are the 3 pillars of male sexual health. Lifestyle changes, exercise, diet, sleep, stress management create the foundation. Strategic supplementation with proven ingredients can accelerate and optimize your results. Taking action today means better performance, more confidence, and stronger relationships tomorrow. Your bedroom performance doesn't have to decline with age. With the right approach, you can be performing better at 40, 50, or beyond than you did in your 20s. Don't let another week go by feeling less than your best. Take action now. Check out the link below, and let's get you back to feeling confident, capable, and fully alive. Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy. You've got this. Now watch this video for more critical know-how on men's health and well-being.